Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change your username before 30 days here in TikTok app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, let's go ahead and open up our TikTok app here in our mobile phone. Once we have opened up our TikTok app, what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead, tap on this profile icon given over here and tap on this edit profile, and we tap on this username option. You can see I can now edit my username or change because I have already edited this on September 14th, and it says after 30 days only I'm able to. Then for that, afterwards we're going to go to our settings option, search and type in date and time, and we're simply going to turn this automatic option, turn this off, and tap on this date option and simply change this to 1 month, September. We will pass our time and tap on this OK option, and then we're gonna go back. We're simply gonna refresh this. We're simply gonna remove our TikTok from there, and then we're gonna go to our TikTok app again, and afterwards again you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon of ours, tap on this edit profile, and we're gonna tap on our username, and then we will be able to simply go ahead, change our username again. Once we're done changing, we will be able to tap on the save option, and our username will simply be saved, the one that we won't like to again. So this is basically it, guys. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.